Someone has well said that stop enjoying the problems of other. Otherwise, God will gift you the same. Because God gives us only what we enjoy. You must have heard many idioms about habits, like by force of habit, break, kick, knock, or drop a habit, creature of habit, etc. Hello friends, I am Sapna Goyal. A small story for you. There was a king who took great care of his subject, but he was suspicious of some people for some time. He had 3 ministers who looked after all his work. But among those 3 ministers, there was one such minister who was dishonest and was not even paying attention to his work. The king was in big dilemma. He could not understand which of these 3 was honest and who was dishonest. To find out this, once the king called the 3 ministers and said, "My birthday is coming, that's why all 3 of you will have to go into the dense forest. All 3 of you will be given bags." Saying this, his bags was given to him, and the king said that you have to fill this bag with good and fresh foods from the forest. You have time till the evening. The earlier minister was very honest. He found fresh fruits from the trees, plucked them and kept them in his bag. But this work took a lot of hard work and he got very tired, and after filling the bag, he sat under the tree. The second minister was cunning. He thought which each fruit the king was going to see. So he filled his bag with all the fruits that were lying on the ground, even if they were defective, and sat under the tree. The third minister was dishonest. He thought that the king would judge the fruits based on the length and weight of the bag. So he filled his bag with some stones and leaves and sat comfortably under the tree and waited for the evening. According to the king, everything was over and the 3 ministers returned to the palace. When the king got the news that the 3 ministers had returned, he did not open their bags. Rather, the king put all 3 of them in jail along with their bags, and all of them were put on diet, and no one would give them food for a week. The previous minister had good fresh foods, so his 1 week passed easily. The second minister had fruits, but the fruits were bad. That's why he fell ill after 3 days. The third minister, who was dishonest, started thinking, "What should I do now?" He began to regret what he had done and thought that I wish it had been filled with fresh fruits. He was very upset because his bag was full of leaves and pebbles, due to which he could not eat anything, and he died within 2-3 days. From this story, we learn that we should not be lazy in our work and should do our work with full honesty. We cannot get back a minute of life, even by paying lakhs of rupees. That is why we should always make good use of time. There is a good thing about time and a bad thing about time. The good thing is that we can decide what to do with this time according to us. The bad thing is that the past time can never come back. Everyone has only 24 hours in a day. Even the rich and the poor have it. We have to decide what we want to use this time for. That's why live life in such a way that there is no regret even for a moment in life. Thank you. I hope you like my story. If you like my story, please like, share, subscribe and forward it also. Thank you.